Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace wheel studs Hyundai Sonata Easy Guide. Start by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and chalking the wheels. Lift the car with a jack and support it on jack stands placed at factory lift points. Remove the wheel and brake caliper carefully, keeping hardware organized. Inspect the hub for damage and clean the area with brake cleaner before proceeding with stud removal and with the hub exposed, remove the caliper and rotor to access the studs. Secure the hub and tap the stud from the back with a punch until it pushes through. For stubborn studs, spray penetrating oil and let it soak, then use a stud puller or a hydraulic press for safe removal. Clean the hub bore and inspect for burrs or corrosion, ensuring a smooth fit for the new studs before moving on to installation. Insert the replacement stud from the back of the hub and thread a washer and lug nut on the outside to pull it into place. Tighten the nut gradually so the stud seats fully and the head sits flush in the hub bore. Repeat for each stud, then reinstall the rotor, caliper, and wheel. Torque the lug nuts to the manufacturer specification and lower the car, then recheck torque after a short drive for safety and reliability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.